Welcome to this tutorial of ALD. First, go to your plugin's dashboard, upload the zip file, and activate it. Now, this plugin connects with AliExpress in two ways: through the Chrome extension, or through the AliExpress API. We'll start with the Chrome extension. You'll see the option to install or connect the extension in a few places in the import list, imported page, settings, or basically anywhere inside the plugin. Just click it to add the extension. Then connect your domain. You can add or remove domains anytime you want. For authentication, you can use the REST API or the secret key, either works. Just make sure you've accepted AliExpress's affiliate terms first. If you want to use the API method, enter your auto update key. Once that's verified, grab your access token. Alright, once you've got everything set up, you can start importing products. With the Chrome extension, you can import directly from an AliExpress category page up to 60 products at a time because of pagination. Or from a single product page, if you just want one item. With the API, importing happens from the import list page right inside the plugin. Before making products official in WooCommerce, you can tweak them in the import list. Now, this plugin isn't meant for bulk editing after import, it's built for dropshipping imports. Once a product is in WooCommerce, you edit it like any other WooCommerce product. From the WooCommerce product page, you'll still have quick links to the original AliExpress listing, and to its import details. You'll see tabs like General, Description, Attributes, Variations, Gallery, and sometimes Video, if that feature is enabled. Here, you can change the title, price, attribute names and values, variation details, and select which images go into your gallery. If you've got a lot of products, editing each one will take time, so use the bulk actions menu here. Or better yet, set your rules before importing, that way, everything comes in just how you want it. If a product has too many variations, or you just want to separate them, you can split it. There are two ways, by attribute, or by variation. Splitting by attribute means each attribute becomes its own product. For example, if a product has color and size, and color has black and burgundy, splitting by color gives you two products, one in black with all sizes, and one in burgundy with all sizes. Splitting by variation is simpler. Just pick the variations you want, and split them into a new product. You can also replace variation terms. Just search for the term, type in the new one, save, and it updates right away in your import list. A key part of your setup is adjusting prices, and we've got rules to help with that. For dropshipping products, prices are calculated based on the AliExpress cost, your exchange rate, shipping fees, and the pricing rules you set. You'll configure all of this under product price settings. First, choose your exchange rate source or enter it manually if you prefer to keep it fixed. If you want to import the regular price instead of the sale price, when a product has both, just toggle use regular price. You can also decide whether to include shipping in the calculation with the show shipping option toggle. If you include it, choose whether it's applied before or after your pricing rules. Once that's done, set your pricing rules however you need. I'll walk through an example in this video, and you'll also find a full tutorial for this section linked in the description below. Some AliExpress products have videos. WooCommerce doesn't support product videos by default, so we import them as external links. Just enable import product video in settings, configure how you want them, and they'll show up on the product page above the description with their own video tab. Once you're happy with your products, it's time to move them to WooCommerce. You have a few ways to move products from the import list into WooCommerce. Click Import Now to bring in one product at a time. Click Import All to import everything on the current page. Or, select multiple products using their checkboxes, then choose Import selected from the Bulk Actions menu. Once imported, they'll appear on the imported page. From here, you can use shortcut buttons to open the original AliExpress listing, preview the product on your WooCommerce store, or jump straight to the WooCommerce product editor. Just keep in mind you can't edit product details in the imported page. This plugin focuses on importing products for dropshipping, not bulk editing. Once a product is in WooCommerce, you edit it like any other product directly in the product editor. And inside that editor, you'll still see quick links to the original AliExpress listing and the imported product details. You can override or re-import products from the imported page. Before you do that, it's a good idea to check your settings first. Go to the Product Overriding tab in the Settings menu, and adjust the options as needed. Here's how it works. Click Re-import to pull the latest version of the same product from AliExpress. Click Override to replace the linked AliExpress product with a different one. Just enter its product ID, click Check, and follow the steps. If the hide options toggle is turned off, you'll see a pop-up when overriding or re-importing, asking which options you want to apply. Syncing keeps your product details like prices and stock up to date with AliExpress. Before you sync, head to the Product Sync section in the Settings menu and configure it first. Aside from the first option, Enable Product Auto Sync, everything here applies to both syncing methods Chrome extension and API. Choose which product statuses you want to sync, turn on Price Sync, Quantity Sync, or both. One important note for price syncing, you'll want to set up custom pricing rules in this section. If you don't, the plugin will stick to the original pricing rules from when the product was first imported, even if you've since updated the rules under product price. And set what should happen when a product becomes available, unavailable, or out of stock. You can also choose whether to send email notifications to the admin. If you do, and you want them sent to a different address than your store's main admin email, enter it here. And for quantity syncing, make sure the Manage Stock checkbox is enabled for every product you want to track. With the Chrome extension, you can sync manually either one product at a time by clicking the green Sync button. One thing to note, this syncing method pulls exactly what you see on AliExpress. It uses the retail price, not the wholesale price, and it will include any automatic discounts like welcome deals. API Sync works differently, it skips those kinds of discounts. For the most accurate results, I recommend setting the ship to country to the same one you used when you first imported the product. You can check it right here in the settings. Or all products at once with the Sync Products button. Any changes will be listed in the log. In the example I'm showing here, you'll see a message saying only product may have price changed. That happens when the product price on AliExpress has changed, but the Sync Price option in Product Sync wasn't enabled. Now, syncing with the API works a bit differently. Once you've entered your auto update key and access token, you'll see a blue Sync API button. Click it to sync individual products, and just like with the extension, you can view all changes in the log. For bulk syncing with the API, there's no manual button. Instead, you'll need to enable product auto sync and set up a schedule. This feature lets you display shipping options for each country, for each product or variation, directly from AliExpress. It requires the API to work, and you'll also need at least one shipping method set up in your WooCommerce shipping settings. Once that's ready, just adjust the settings here. I've linked a separate tutorial video in the description that covers every option in detail. But here's the quick overview. You can customize the shipping label text, choose how the shipping options appear on your cart and checkout pages as a drop-down, radio buttons, or a pop-up, and decide how they calculate alongside your WooCommerce shipping methods. You can also show or hide these options on the product page, hide them entirely when an item can't be shipped to the customer's country, and even rename the shipping company. Now, let's see how the shipping options look once everything is set up correctly. We offer the Require Billing Fields in Latin option, mandating customers to input Latin characters in the WooCommerce billing form. Next, select a default carrier to fulfill orders lacking shipping information. This is helpful if front-end shipping is disabled, or if items aren't linked to a shipping company on AliExpress. Ensure your AliExpress suppliers support this carrier before enabling the option. Similar to the default shipping carrier, there's an option for a default phone number. Our plugin uses this default information only if the order lacks customer-provided details. Otherwise, it uses the customer's input, unless you enable the override customer phone number option. Be aware of our warning here. This option is useful if you prefer AliExpress suppliers to contact you directly instead of your customers. It prevents direct communication between your customers and suppliers, ensuring smoother transactions. These options customize checkout fields on your checkout pages, catering to specific needs. They're particularly useful for cases where specific information is required on AliExpress checkout, such as when shipping to Brazil or Chile. This note will be added on the AliExpress order when an order is fulfilled. The Show Action option displays the To Order button on the WooCommerce Orders dashboard, or shows the order in the ALD orders list. It facilitates order fulfillment based on selected status options. Next, we have two options to automatically change the order status when the ALD order ID and/or tracking number are filled. Fulfilling an order means sending your customer's order details from WooCommerce to AliExpress, so the supplier can pack and ship it directly to them. Once your products are set up, customers can place orders, and you can fulfill them using either the Chrome extension or the API. With the Chrome extension, you can fulfill orders from the ALD orders page, the WooCommerce orders dashboard, or directly inside the order detail page. Just click the button, the shipping address will automatically fill in. From there, you simply review the details, fix anything if needed, and complete the payment. With the API, you can use the bulk place order button in the ALD orders page. Make sure all details are in Latin characters, otherwise AliExpress may not accept the order. You can also enable autofulfill in the Fulfill settings page. Just choose the order status and payment method, and any order that matches those conditions will be sent to AliExpress automatically. The only thing left for you to do is go to the Unpaid section on AliExpress and complete the payment to get it processed. Some countries, like Mexico or Brazil, require extra information before AliExpress can ship. WooCommerce doesn't support these fields by default, so you'll need a third-party plugin to add them. In my case, I'm using the Fuke plugin to create a custom checkout field. I simply copy the field's meta key from there, enter it into the plugin settings, and now it's fully connected. After fulfilling an order, you'll want to check if it has a tracking number. There are two ways to sync orders. First, using the Chrome extension. Second, using the API by setting up a sync schedule in the settings. finally, if an order fails and you have to refund or replace it, make sure not to accidentally fulfill the same order twice on AliExpress. If the original Ali order still exists, just connect it by pasting its order ID.